Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Valorant. Whenever you launch the game, you got the error Valorant has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch the client to reconnect with error code 81. Let's fix it guys. If you have installed this Faceit anti-cheat, then you need to uninstall this program guys. After uninstalling it, go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. Search for VGC service. Double click on it. Startup type set to automatic. If the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now after doing this, close stuff here. Now right click on the taskbar and select task manager. On left side select services. On right side search for VGC service. You just need to right click on it, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to select start guys. And after doing this, now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to change the Valorant game setting file. To do this, you just need to open up File Explorer. Click on the view on the top and select show and select hidden items, check mark it, and now go to local disk C and scroll down and double click on the program data. In here search for write games, double click on it, metadata, double click on it, Valorant live, double click on it. Now you just need to right click on the Valorant live product settings .yaml. Just right click on it and select open with, select notepad and select just now. Now you just need to press in keyboard Ctrl plus F. In here you just need to search for SHOULD, press enter, and you can able to see the should repair. You just need to change this value guys. Whatever the value is in here, you need to change it to true guys. TRUE. After changing it, you just need to select the file and select save. After doing this, close it up here. Now for the changes take effect, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to do a clean installation of Riot Vanguard. To do this, you just need to click on this system tray icon, right click on the Riot client and select exit. Now go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video, copy and paste it one by one. After finishing this command, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC guys, else this command won't work guys. After restarting your PC, open up a File Explorer, go to local disk C, and you need to find the program files folder, double click on it. In here search for Riot Vanguard, right click on it and delete it guys. You can able to see I can't able to delete this folder guys because I didn't restarted my PC. You need to restart your PC and delete this Riot Vanguard folder guys. After doing this, you just need to close stuff here and open up a Riot client. Click on the Valorant and select the update option and update it guys. Once the game is updated, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.